Today we are going to discuss about Wave 3.0, the next generation of evolution of internet. So what is Web 3.0? Web 3.0, also known as decentralized web. The word is made from two combinations, which is D and centralized. Centralized means one collected at a specific point, whereas decentralized means spread all over. All over. So Web 3.0 is also known as decentralized web and is the next generation of internet that focus on user ownership and decentralization and blockchain technology. So Web 3.0 basically focuses on user ownership, means the control on the data will be of users, and its storage will be decentralized. There will be no specific server or company based server for the collection of the data, and also all the data will be collected through connected through blockchain technology. So, what's the difference between Web 3.0 and Web 2.0? Unlike Web 2.0, which is dominated by centralized platforms like Google, Facebook, and Amazon, Web 3.0 aims to give lower back to user power back to user through decentralized application, which is D apps, cryptocurrencies, and smart contracts. As I said, Web 2.0, which is basically the social web, which we are using right now, have the centralized platforms dominate here, like Google, Facebook, and Amazon dominate here. They have their servers, they collect our data, and they might say that I am not using your data, but in backend they might be using those data. So a type of thing is that our data sometimes mm, uh, get that like of no safety, they lack of safety. So Web 3.0 might help solve these problems, because here the data are spread across all over the all over the waves, and through block and are connected through blockchain technology. So let's say first of all see evolution of the web. Evolution of the web. So our first web version was Web 1.0, which ran from 1989 to 2005, and this era was called as a static web, because here we can only share the read only waves with basic HTML pages and no user interactions. Means there was no interactions, like user cannot comment on the HTML files, or written words, written text, whether it is written wrong, whether it is reading wrong information. This type of comments were not allowed by the users. Yes, there was the probability that the main users who had the means ownership of that web can comment on these type of things, but normal users do not have the this type of privileges. Now after web to 1.0, we get into the era of social web, which we call web 2.0, and started from 2005 and is running presently. As you can see from the name social web, you can imagine what platforms comes to your mind after listening the word social. Like your in your mind might Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp will cross over your mind. And this web 0.20 is interactive user generated content, means a user can interact with those contents, and also these content are generated by users. But whereas in web 1.0, these contents were only generated by the main privileged ownership or owners. So this includes web 2.0 includes social media and cloud computing, and here the data is centralized and controlled by the platforms, centralized platforms, as we have seen above, like Google and Facebook. Now it's web 3.0, which is right now emerging and has not emerged fully, and this is a type of decentralized web. and it's a blockchain based, AI driven, and user controlled data. Smart contracts and decentralized apps controls the information and storage in Web 3.0. So let's see some of the key feature of Web 3.0. The first one, the main key feature is the decentralization, which is basically the definition of Web 3.0, that data is stored across a distributed network instead of centralized servers, like Google, Facebook, etc., which right now have full control on the internet. So user have a privacy and control over their own data. And our second key feature of Web 3.0 is that blockchain technology. It's immutable ledger. Immutable means, in Hindi we can say, um, so immutable means परिवर्तनीय in Hindi, and ledger is basically account. In Hindi we say that bahi khata. So basically, all transactions, accounts, data are permanently recorded on the blockchain. So no other users, or maybe type we can say that illegal users can delete our data, and may take control on our account. Number second part of the one key feature of blockchain technology is that it's a smart contracts. Like modern right now, you make contracts with the companies on the basis of certain conditions, but here the contracts will be self executing contracts, and it will run automatically when conditions are met. And secure and transparent transactions will be there. Now, our third key feature of Web 3.0 is user ownership of data. As we have discussed, the full control on users' data will be of the user only, and no other else can control that data. So user controls their personal data and digital identity using crypto wallet. And some of the examples of crypto wallets are MetaMask and Trust Wallet. And instead of logging in the Google, Facebook, and user authenticate with a blockchain wallets. So user will needs to only just one time authenticate on blockchain wallets, and no need of multiple platforms like Google and Facebook. So and our fourth key feature of Web 3.0 is that artificial intelligence and machine learning. So here AI enhance. Here we can see that nowadays importance of AI has been can be felt very easily and with a very intensity, that it has a personalized and automation and the search capability. It has automized and personalized and increase the search capability, where if you go on the platforms like the Google and web browser and search on the Chrome directly about something, they will show you a web page, a link of web page, and there you need to search your information or the information you require by your own self. But with the coming up of AI, like chat gpts, DeepSeek V3, Elma, this type of things, Microsoft Copilot, uh, help you find those particular search results, those results which you need at just in just a glance, and you no need to spend times hovering over the different websites. So AI driven chatbots, recommendation system, and predictive analysis become a smarter nowadays. You can see that in various business sectors also, AI has driven the speed of the businesses. AI have driven the speeds of like communications, video creations, content creations. So basically, AI and machine learning are very important key feature of Web 3.0. And last, which feature of the Web 3.0 is interoperability and open ecosystem. Means Interoperable means they can work across multiple platforms and blockchains. They are not that they are not acquired, or they are not collected at a single concentrated at single platforms. They are spread all over across and can perform on multiple platforms. And developer can create cross chain applications like Ethereum, Polygon, or Solana, etc. So these three are the examples of the user created cross chain applications. Now Web 3.0's technology means the technology which Web 3.0 includes are: number one, web blockchain, smart contracts, as I have said you, like that these contracts are like, if certain conditions are met, then these contracts will be automatically created. Now again, third is decentralized storage. Fourth one is cryptocurrencies for financials, and fifth one is decentralized finance, which is DeFi in short form. And some of the apps of these are Uniswap, Aave, and Compound. So financial service without bank means lending and trading will be done without using of the banks, and it will be on your user account based. Will be this lendings and trading will be user account based, and all the datas of your tradings will be stored in that wallet only. And non-fungible token NFT. Nowadays you can see the prevalence of NFTs, like various users, various developers are creating different type of NFTs and are selling on these platforms at very high prices. Some of the examples of NFTs are like images which are being sold by developers at very high cost. A recent case of which is the merge, and the seller name was Park, whose identity is not confirmed yet. So basically, you here you can sell your data, your basically innovations, and without letting the others to know your actual identity. And it's also the technology included in blockchain Web 3.0 is metaverse. So basically, which include virtual world powered by blockchain, like Decentraland, the Sandbox, etc. So we will continue tomorrow with the key features of Web 3.0. So for now, let's stop here. Thank you.